Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving deep into the text searching with grep, egrep, and fgrep in Linux. If you're a system administrator or a developer working with the logs, config files, or a large data set, mastering this command will save your time. By the way, if you haven't watched my tutorial on grep, make sure to check it out. I have linked in the description and also added YouTube card here. I will be running this command on Rocky Linux, but they apply to most Linux distributions. So let's get started. So first, let's see manual page for grep. Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print and is used to search for patterns in files. It's incredibly powerful when analyzing log, filtering output, or even debugging the issue in your code. So let's see the syntax here. Grep option, you need to provide the option and then pattern what you want to search and then provide the file name. Imagine you are troubleshooting a web server on Rocky Linux. To check for errors in Apache logs, you can run grep error followed by the path log httpd access_log. This will highlight any lines containing the word error. If it is missing, you need to enable logging. So let's see the another example. Open the Apache configuration file and check the custom log directive. Sudo cat etc httpd conf httpd.conf grep custom log. You should see something like this: custom log / access_log and combine. Let's see the key options with the real world use cases. If you don't know whether the word is in uppercase or lowercase, grep-i error, just you need to add -i here in the same command. Now you can see in the output, it ignores the cases, whether it is uppercase or lowercase, everything it got printed. Earlier, only one word has been search error. Now the uppercase also it has been search. We found all the output here. It will find error in uppercase, smaller case like error or error, or if there are anything like this, it will find this as well. So all use cases it will find and it will print the output, uppercase, lowercase, or in a combination. If you want to see everything except error log, so run grep-v error. So here we have not received output which are matching with small case, but we have found with capital case. We can skip that one as well by running -v and I. So now you will not get any output followed by error, either in small case or uppercase. This will filter out the lines containing the error. Let's see the another example. Imagine you have a Python script app.py with multiple functions. You want to find where the function calculate_total is defined in the file. I have created the file here. Let me copy paste it. File has been created, app.py. Now search the function name grep-n calculate underscore total. I want to search this function in app.py. So here you can see I have given -n, so it has mentioned the line number as well. This tells you that the calculate underscore total function, this is the function, is defined on the line 4. Let's see the another option. Suppose you have a project directory with multiple files and you want to find all the occurrence of the word database inside your project. So let's create a directory as well as my project. So I have created the my project directory. Let me create a file here, a database file. Here you can see I have created config.txt and setting.conf file. Both file has been created. Now search the word database inside the entire project folder. So I will run grep -r database bsc in my project. I was already inside the my project, so I have given // and my project path. Let me go back one directory. Now let me run that command once again. Now we need to update the path. Here you can see it shows database line. It will mention the directory, the file name and the database. If I give -i, it will print capital database as well as in small case as well. So this command search inside all the files in my project directory and displays the matches along with the file name. Now let's see extended search with Egrep. Imagine you are analyzing a web server log file, that is server.log, and need to filter out the different types of error messages like error, failed or critical. So let's create a sample file. I will create a file here. Let me check the file. There is a file. So use egrep to search the multiple patterns. Now I will be running this command to find all lines containing error, failed or critical. Error, failed or critical. Space, provide the file name and enter. The expected output is error, connection timeout. If I run with -i, we will get everything: error, failed, critical. Why use egrep? Here, as you can see in the command, the pipe, this pipe, let me highlight it first. This pipe act as a OR operator, allowing us to match the multiple keyword at once. Instead of running a multiple grep commands separately, egrep simplifies the process. If you want to match the exact word error, not errors or not error, like if you want only to match error, not errors or error, you can use boundaries. Let's see how we can run that command egrep. I will add /b to make sure to add a boundaries starting with error, and after that add /b server.log. Like this, you can search by adding /b. This ensures you to get only the exact matches. Let's see fgrep now. Fgrep or grep-f searches for the fish string without using regress. It's faster when dealing with the literal strings. For example, finding a specific config settings like fgrep listen 80. I will search in http httpd conf. So since no regress is involved, it runs faster. Note fgrep is deprecated. Just use grep-f instead. By default, grep highlights the matching patterns. If the output is not colorized, enable it with grep. Let me run another example. Color is equals to auto. Search the pattern grep in where log httpd access.log. Grep highlights the matching pattern. If the output is not colorized, we can enable in this way ---- color equals to auto. This makes the result easier to spot. And that's it for this tutorial. We have explored grep, egrep and fgrep with practical example. These commands are essential for Linux admin and developer, whether you are filtering the logs, debugging or extracting the data. Remember, fgrep is deprecated, so use grep-f instead. Also, if you haven't seen my dedicated grep tutorial, check it out in the description. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.